Welcome. In front of me is a triple iiiF150 Raptor, which is the most American name I have ever seen. And today I'll be showing you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now, apart from probably butchering this brand's name, if you can even call that a brand, it just seems like a random slap of keyboard slap. But anyway, apart from butchering that, let's just get to it. So we're going to open up our settings and scroll to the very bottom to System. And in here you want to select Reset Options. Now at the bottom you have the last option, Erase All Data. Well, technically it's like in the middle of the screen, not the bottom, but bottom of the list. Erase all data, factory reset. So we're going to click on that. This presents you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes music, photos, and all user data, not other. And additionally, it also tells you that the Google account that is listed right here will be just removed from the phone itself. But the account still is fine. Don't worry about that one. Now, if you keep anything on your device, any kind of data that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before going any further. Now, you can do this by creating a cloud backup through Google, but that doesn't back up everything. That's number one. Number two, it only is being kept on the cloud for a period of time when it's not being used, which is, I believe, like 2 or 3 years. Might be long enough for you. Might not be. No pun intended. But in any case, so the period of time it's being kept, that's kind of a major factor for a backup, which I consider just to be not the greatest way to back up your device. And lastly, it's Google. So whatever you back up basically will probably be used to train AI models. So you have your personal data that is being used to train. Then when you need it, it's gone, and it didn't even back up everything. It seems like a dumbest way to back up your device. So what I recommend doing instead is just grabbing a cable like this one and then plugging it into a computer and moving everything that you'd like to preserve to that computer. Therefore, once you do that, the data will be kept there permanently. It's not subject to be training any kind of AIs, and it's being kept on your computer instead of someone else's. Now, in any case, the device right here doesn't have anything that I want to back up, so we're just going to select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and you can see I do have a pattern, very complex pattern. And next, it tells us one last time, Erase all data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. I'm going to click on that second time, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this will take probably 1-2 minutes, I would say, to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.